Okay, let's go ahead and move on. So we have our sequence now is -4, -1, 2, and 5, and then dot, dot, dot. If the first term is t of 1, what is t of 0? So in other words, we'd have to move backwards. So if you're looking at it in like a table format, like this is your n, this is t of n. So I'm going to put 0 on there. We're given the first term is -4, -1, 2, and 5. So we know what our first term is. We have to move backwards. So in order to do that, we actually need to find out what the common difference is first. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can just kind of guess and check, or you can ask yourself, you know, what did you do to get from -4 to -1? So we had to add 3, right? So we add 3 and add 3. In other words, we would have to add 3 to whatever our 0 term is to get -4. We'll work backwards and think about what is -4 minus 3, in which case you're going to get -7. So we've actually answered a couple of questions here. T of 0 is going to be -7. The common difference is +3. Now, can we write an equation? Well, remember, our equation is in T of n form. And we talked about this on the previous slide. Remember, the m represents your common difference, or your generator, and b represents your 0 term. So if we look at what we've just written down, b, we found out, is -7, and our common difference is adding 3. So when we write our equation, it's going to be t of n equals 3x minus 7. Now, there is space on here for you to show your work. Make sure you do that, even if you just, write down what we've done here. And we're going to move on to the next problem.